Hello there. So, Maltego can be used to determine the relationships between the following entities: people, names, email addresses, aliases, groups of people, social networks, companies, organizations, websites, internet infrastructure such as domain, DNS names, net blocks, IP addresses, applications, documents, and files. In this tutorial, I detail a network footprinting methodology while demonstrating how investigators can use Maltego to implement it. Maltego largely automates the information gathering process, thus saving a lot of time for the attacker, as we will see in this Maltego. Now I can show you this. So Maltego is an open source tool so that allows you to mine and gather information and represent your findings in a meaningful way. And it is one of the best information gathering and data mining tools. In Maltego alone, users can query all types of data. Maltego empowers investigators worldwide to speed. So this is my targeted website, www.housec.com. Increase the precision of their investigations through easy data integration in a single interface, aided by powerful visualization and collaborate capabilities to quickly zero in on relevant information. So here is all the transforms. You can attack by email, IP addresses, DNS, tracking codes. Actually, Maltego is a proven tool that has been downloaded by almost 1 million commercial and community users worldwide since its first launch in 2008. Due to its wide range of possible use cases ranging from threat intelligence to fraud investigations, Maltego is used by a broad audience from security professionals and presenters. So, start the background scanning. So I take another entity. One of the routine tasks Maltego is used for by analysts and experts worldwide is infrastructure footprinting on an organization's network, also known as reconnaissance footprinting. Is the technique employed to gather information such as IP addresses regarding a specific network environment, usually with the purpose of revealing vulnerabilities indicators. So let's check this information relationship between all the email in this website. In this tutorial I detail the network footprinting. The first phase is security assessment is to focus on collecting as much information as possible about a target application. According to OWASP, information gathering is a necessary step of a penetration on test. The more information, the higher the success rate. There are basically two types of information gathering: active and passive. Passive information gathering is where the attackers won't be contacting the target directly and will be trying to gather information that is available on the internet. Whereas in active information gathering, the attacker will be directly contacting the target and will be trying to gather more information. So information gathering is generally done on infrastructure and on people. In infrastructure recon, the attackers generally try to find the information about the host, mail, exchanger record, name server record, shared resources, or many things. So here I create a relational entities between this website. With Maltego, I can find the relationships which people are linked to, including their social profile, mutual friends, companies that are related to the information gathered, and websites. If I want to gather information related to any infrastructure, I can gather relationship between domains, DNS names, and net blocks. I send the request to speed seed servers in XML format over HTTPs. The request from the seed server is given to the test servers, which are passed on to the service providers. The request results are given back to the Maltego client. So I gathered many information is here. You look, once the transforms are updated, investigate tab and select the desired options from the plate. There are two main categories in the plate: infrastructure and personal. I can also import other entities to the plate. As example is Sodan entity. So as you know, Maltego helps you find information about a person like their email address, social profiles, mutual friends, various files shared on various URLs. Select the desired option from the plate. Here I am going to select the option and make all the connected links in this website. So similarly, I can find if the user has uploaded any files in pastabin or other public URLs. Having all the information can be useful for performing a social engaging based attack. So let's zoom this and see what I made. So I gathered so many information in howco.com. So you can run transform by right clicking. So this is all the information is here. Watch the video carefully and try it by your own. So that's it for today.